Probably about 15 years ago, I started having a terrible acid reflux, sleeping at night. I would regurgitate. I went to a doctor and got on Nexium and, got on that for quite a while. It started getting worse, and finally I ended up getting a sleep apnea machine. I think Dr. Smith, we talked to him one time and then he suggested that, and so I went and got that, did the sleep study, got that all done. So that started to somewhat help the at night regurgitation, but it didn't fix the obvious problem.
Obviously I was with him through all of this, and then I just started having the heartburn and I was having issues. So I finally was like, I think I'm just gonna call Matt and see Dr. Smith and see what's going on.
For one, he will ask you every symptom and wants you to be as honest as possible, because that's the way he's gonna help you. So, he was very thorough and went through everything, like every scenario that could have been and everything that could possibly fix it. And he didn't jump straight to surgery. He went to, let's try this or let's try that, but I'm not gonna let you go too long. And so we tried a couple of things first and finally said, okay, I don't think this is gonna work. Explained everything to him again. He started doing the EGD and the tests and decided that he gave me a couple options. One was the links that he ended up doing the surgery on, and the other one, I can't remember the name of it, but it was a more invasive surgery to where you couldn't have no soda no more, and this was fairly new. Carbonation was going to be out, and he seemed pretty confident that it would be good for me with my age, so we ended up going with that.
He did the same thing, ran me through all the tests and checked everything out, and it did show that my esophagus was thinning and I needed something done. I had a partial wrap done, so he took a part of my stomach and esophagus and put it together and wrapped it.
I have not had a lick of heartburn, anything since the day I've had the surgery.
I haven't had a lick since. I can eat anything now and it's completely different. Great, our whole life is different now. He used to not be able to eat pizza eat anything really after 7 o'clock at night, or he would get sick and I would have to just be careful of everything that I was eating or drinking or anything to that nature. I've probably have sent his name to 10 people already. My niece has got really bad, same thing. She was struggling one night when we were with her and I could just tell she was having what I used to have. Gave the number, I'm like, you need to just call there, and 100%, because he's just easy. It's easy with him. You go in and you're gonna get straight up, but you're also gonna feel that caring side of him too. That he's not just in there to get his job done and walk out the door. He always remembers our names, he remembers our kids' names, he wants to say hello, that kind of thing. So, it's a no-brainer to see him.
Yeah, I would say to make you feel comfortable and to guarantee you that he's gonna give you the work that he feels you deserve, he makes you feel very confident about that. And he ain't gonna say, oh, I think I can do it, because if it's thinking I can do it, he ain't gonna do it. That's what he made clear, and from what we've seen, that hasn't happened. So in everything that he's done for me and promised me, it's been positive and it's been great.